Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoplay on the application of WhatsApp. You will click on settings. Here in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this window here, you will search about the application of CapCut and you will enter. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you can turn on your airplane mode. And you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to